In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your screen private in AnyDesk so you can work on a remote computer without anyone watching what you're doing. This is especially useful when you're handling sensitive files, private information, or just want a cleaner, more secure remote session. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to enable the right permissions on the remote PC, which is the computer you'll be connecting to. On that remote device, open AnyDesk and go to Settings, then look for the Access section. This is where AnyDesk controls what remote users are allowed to do during a session. Once you're in the Access settings, the next step is to unlock the settings. Click Unlock, and then approve the administrator prompt if one appears. This step is important because AnyDesk won't let you change certain privacy or permission settings unless the settings are unlocked first. After you approve it, you'll be able to make the necessary changes. Now look for the permissions or interactive access settings. In this section, make sure Enable Privacy Mode is checked or permitted. This is the key setting that allows you to hide the remote screen during your session. Without this enabled, Privacy Mode may not work properly, or you may not see the option when you connect. After that, you're ready to start your session. Go back to your device and connect to the remote computer using the AnyDesk ID or Alias. Once the connection is established, you'll be inside the remote session and ready to activate Privacy Mode. Now open the Permissions tab, or if you don't see that, use the Session menu or the AnyDesk toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the Privacy Mode option and turn it on. The moment you activate it, the remote screen will go black, and local input on the remote computer will be disabled. That means anyone sitting at the remote PC won't be able to see what you're doing or interfere while you're working. This is perfect for secure support sessions, confidential tasks, or any situation where privacy matters. Just remember, Privacy Mode only works if the remote device has been configured correctly first, so always make sure those permissions are enabled before you connect. And that's it. You've now learned how to keep your screen private in AnyDesk. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.